Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 24th of September and as you can see we're here for nursery reception, year 1 and year 2 to give a massive shout out to all those children who've been working so hard throughout this week and they are amazing. You'll see we have lots of children to shout out and cheer in our classroom. So let's kick off this morning. Let's have a little look. Look at this, look at these children from nursery. Look at Miss Wright's superstars. They certainly are. Look at Harriet, Jacob, Kian, Thea, Layla, Brody, Jessica and Frida. You absolute superstars. Look at them, look, working so hard and just getting on in nursery and being so positive throughout. Look, massive smiles on their faces as well. It just makes Mr. Allen smile. So well done all of you nursery children, and a huge massive cheer and a big round of applause. So really well done. And I know your parents will be so proud of you as well. So well done. Moving on. Reception, look at Miss McTavish's class again. Look at all these smiling faces. Amazing, amazing. Sonila, Phoenix, Max, Maria, Simon, Quinn. Look at you guys. Hey, absolutely superb. So proud of you. Working so hard, sitting beautifully, beautiful role models, playing together really nicely, but working so hard. So massive shout out for you guys. And I know Miss McTavish is really proud, and I know your parents will be as well. So well done, all of you. Keep it up. Moving on, here we go, look. Oh, Miss Marshall shout out, look at these, Miss Marshall shout out. Phenomenal behaviour, the whole class. Everyone's been to see Dippy this week and they were, well, you can see that from how they are sitting and how they are listening and finding all about Dippy. They were brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Phenomenal behaviour, well done all of you. Give yourselves all a massive cheer, please. Come on, big round of applause for the whole class. So thank you and well done. Moving on. Oh, Mr. Ackerman says, look at these children, look. So we've got Willow, we've got Betsy, we've got Keely, we've got Kylo, we've got Lily, we've got Yasmin. Look, working so hard and trying their best throughout this week. Mr. Ackerman has been so impressed by how hard these children have tried this week and not given up. So really well done. Keep it up, you superstars. Moving on. Here we go, look, let's see, we got, oh look, Miss Begums, look at these year 2s. Look, so we've got Honey, we've got Crystal, we've got Scarlett, we've got Freddie, we've got Woody, we've got Caden, we've got Rayleigh, we've got Adama, we've got Lily, Henry and Jack. And again, look at them, sitting beautifully, listening, working so hard on their maths. Absolutely brilliant. Head down. Even Scarlett P, look, head down, working so hard. So really well done to you year 2s. Miss Begum, I know, is really proud of you. Let's give them all a massive cheer as well in class. Well done, you superstars. Moving on. Oh, Miss Hall, look at these again. Look how hard they're working, whether that's reading or doing their maths. It's superb. So you've got Victorious, we've got Lita, we've got Marcy, we've got Dennis, we've got Penny, Sapphire and Ben. Guys, you are working so, and I know you are reading so much as well, but you can see that in class as well. Perfect partners as well, but working so hard. Really well done and keep it. I know Miss Hall is super impressed with you. Everyone will be giving you a massive cheer now as well, so really well done. Moving on. Oh, look at this. Look at these ones. Look at Miss Ruffles. Look, again, amazing big smiles on their face and again, working so hard. We've got Rowan, we've got Naffy, we've got Ruby, Sebastian, Elliot, Beatrice. Superb, working so hard. Again, some amazing self-portraits which are up on display. They look fabulous, but they are working so hard. Big smiles on their faces as well. It's really lovely to see. Keep working so hard in the reception, guys. I am so proud of you. I know Miss Ruffle is, and everyone will be giving you a massive cheer now, so really well done. There it is, look. Here we go. What brilliant work this week, everyone. So, whether that's your behaviour, whether you're working with your reading, your writing, your maths, it's been brilliant. What a fantastic week again. Thank you so much, everyone. Just makes Mr. Allen's job so much easier, right? And if you want to shout out next week, copy those children, because who knows, it could be you appearing for a massive shout out from Mr. Allen and a big cheer from all of your class. Have a great weekend, everyone, and until next week, bye-bye now.